Tell me the truth, this is the end. I feel like lose myself. Bring me to the top, can find you in the end. You'll never cry for me.
Hold on. Have you guys seen this mineral brand in convenience store? Do you guys know that Spritzer is the market leader in the bottled water?
Oh my god! Wow!
Also, this mineral water rich in silica.
Spritzer, established in 1989, founded by Datuk Lim Kok Bon. Spritzer finally made its IPO on the main market of Bursa Malaysia on 1 September 2000. Spritzer also focused on trading, investment and properties holding. Aha! Do you guys want to know what is the comparison performance between FTS EBM KLCI versus Spritzer Berhad?
This chart shows the performance between Spritzer Berhad and FTSE Bursa Malaysia KLCI Index.
The green light shows Spritzer's stock price and the purple line represents the FBM KLCI index. Since August 2024, Spritzer has constantly performed better than the index, showing strong investor confidence and steady growth. Even after a brief dip in May 2025, the stock recovered quickly and proving its resilience.
So, for the trend chart analysis for Spritzer, based on this chart, we can observe into three main phases for the stock price movement. Firstly, from July
2024
to January
2025.
the stock show an uptrend. The price increased significantly from RM1.20 to a peak around RM1.75 in January. This shows strong investor confidence and buying interest during this period. Between February and April 2024, the stock entered a sideways trend. The price moved in a narrow range between RM1.45 and RM1.70. It indicated market decision. At this stage, neither the buyer or the seller had clear control over the price direction. From May 2024, the stock began to decline, forming a downtrend. It started making lower high and lower low, with the price dropping to the support level of RM1.50 to RM1.60. However, there was a slight rebound to RM1.54 recently.
In our counter, we have identified a bull pennant. So what is a bull pennant? A bull pennant is a short pattern to indicate stock movement reversing to the uptrend. In our counter, we have seen a bull pennant. Bull pennant happens between on November to December. It is a continuation of a bullish trend. If you can see, it has a break the pennant going to the upside, going a bullish trend. The second pattern we have seen on our counter and identify is a flag. Specifically, it's a bull flag. A bull flag is when the price is consolidating and wants to move to the uptrend and upside. So in our pattern, we can see that the price has break the resistance line and shown a strong price movement to the upside. Moving on, I will explain about indicators. I will briefly explain about all 5 indicators that we have identified on our counter. Firstly is single MA or single moving average. On our chart, we have identified on the latest price pattern and price movement that the price has moved below the MA price and showing and indicates a bearish movement, and we recommend sell signal to the existing investor. Second is double moving average. On our pattern, latest price has shown that the price has moved below the long and short moving averages line and indicates a sell indication and a bearish. So we recommend our existing investor to sell. Thirdly is parabolic SLR, where the latest price movement has shown the price has moved below the dots of the parabolics, and it will show a reversal of the price movement to the downside and shows a sell signal. For our next indicators is stochastic. Stochastic is one of the other indicators that we have identified. So on our price movement, we have shown that the K percentage and the D percentage has done a crossover below, and it shows that undervalued and has shown a strong price movement to the upside, and we recommend to our existing investor or our new investor to buy or hold to sell. Well, lastly, our last indicator we have shown is that a moving average convergence divergence. MACD is essentially indicator that we have used and identified in our chart pattern. So on the end of May, we have identified that it has happened a crossover line in the indicator and showing a loss of momentum of the bullish momentum, and it's shown will go to the downside. So we recommend our existing investor to sell.
In conclusion, after doing several analyses, Spritzer performed well in the past and shows some positive pattern. But most technical indicators now show sell signal except for one, so we suggest current investor to sell and new investor to wait. Even though the company is strong, it's not the right time to invest now.